Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get the tiny pistol on Saints Row 4. So you're gonna go to Let's Pretend, and then you see this door, it says employees only. You're gonna shoot the lock a couple of times until it opens. Then just follow the path.
I'll show you police brutality.
Should I call the cops?
And then you can see with tiny pistol, just pick it up. See, I got it. And then you can just see all the creators or developers that like made Saints Row 4. And that's how you get the tiny pistol on Saints Row